Hi friends, this is Shachi. Today's section I am going to install MS SQL 2019 on Windows. Open any browser and you can go to MySQL. You can get that link from description. Click on the download free trial and fill the necessary details and submit. And click on download now. It started downloading. Open the exe file. Here you can see three options. You can click on download media and download. You can use this ISO file for next time. Download is completed. Click open folder. Open SQL ISO image and run the setup file. Click on the installation page and select the new SQL Server standalone installation. We are installing evaluation version, so default will be evaluation and next. Expect the terms and license condition and click on next. Tick mark the Microsoft update. We can see the warning message against the Windows firewall, but it can be ignored. Click next and move further. Now we need to select the features. Based on the requirements, you can select the features. Now I am selecting database engine services and click next. You can choose to install a default or named instance name. If a default instance name is already present on the machine, we can only install named instance. This is my first SQL server, so I am going with the default name. We can change service accounts later from SQL Server Configuration Manager. Click next. Specify authentication mode, select mixed mode and type the SOA password and confirm that password. And add current users to SQL Server Administrator. Click on the install. SQL Server installation completed successfully. Close this window. We need to install SSMS to connect SQL Server and explore full features. To install SSMS, click on the Install SQL Server Management tool. Click on Download SQL Server Management Studio and save. It started downloading. Once you download, open SSMS. Click on Install. After installation, restart is required. Open SQL Server Management Studio and try to connect our SQL database. Click on Connect. As we can see that SQL Server is working, but it's only working on this local machine. Now I will show you how to enable SQL Server on network. Make sure to set static IP on your SQL Server. Open SQL Server Configuration Manager and click on SQL Server Browser Properties and click on Services and change Start Mode to Automatic. Then apply that. Then start the service. Select SQL Server Network Configuration. Under you can see Protocol for MS SQL Server. Click on that and enable the named pipes. Enabling or disabling the SQL Server Network Protocol required restart in the SQL servers to take effect, which can be done by this console. The next configuration is I am going to enable SQL port in Windows Firewall. Open Windows Firewall and click on Advanced Settings and click on Inbound Rules and create a new rule and select the port number and click Next and select the specific port number. SQL port number is 1433. Click Next. and click on allow the connection and next, and then give any name and click on finish, then close the window. All the network configuration is done, so I'm going to access this SQL server from different machine. I have already installed SCCM on this machine, so I'm trying to access from the network. Open SCCM. My SQL IP is 43. Instead of IP, we can give that SQL server name and type the SWA password which we configured earlier. Click on connect. Now we are able to access SQL server. Thanks for watching this video.